Hi, welcome back to OD YouTube channel. Today I'm here for another unboxing. This is a package that I received from Germany, from an auction site which is called Martini Auctions in Germany, and I bought another pen, another Lamy pen. And I will just show you. I just opened this kind of transparent sleeve just to take out the invoice and the personal information, and let's open this with a Victorinox knife. So here we have the box. Let me just zoom in a little bit, and it is a Lamy box, as I told you. So if you saw some time ago the video that I made about the Lamy CP1, actually the video that I made about pens that I wished I had one of each, this pen is featured there, and this is the Lamy CP1. It is one of the few that I still don't have in my collection. So here's a warranty paper, here's a booklet. I wonder if this booklet is of the same time as the pen. Yes, maybe it is. At least that's interesting to see these booklets, and because they have the several pens and how they changed throughout the time. So that's fun. I just wish they had some date codes on these papers, but they don't seem to. Okay, sorry about that. Sometimes I like this kind of information because it's interesting. So I have a pen here, and it is a Lamy CP1, and here it is. It comes with a cartridge, and that's it. So let's take this out. It looks very nice, and it is a platinum coated Lamy CP1. So it has the regular clip of a Lamy CP1, typical. It has these little ridges engraved, these lines. I think it's in good condition, and here it is, and it has a gold nib. Let me try to show it to you. I hope you can see it. So it says Lamy gold, and it is a broad nib. This is something that I usually don't like, but that's the way. I could have this pen at I would say a fair price. And then there you have it. It's the same kind of Lamy CP1, except for this section, which is also platinum coated. This pen looks really great. Let me just show it and compare it with other pens. So Lamy CP1 is one of the models that I really enjoy, and it is a slim pen. I will zoom out again. So it is a slim pen with this typical Lamy Safari kind of nib. In this case it's gold, and it has this clip which is spring loaded, and this one is platinum coated. And it was available in several versions. This pen, I'm not sure if it's written there, it's not. It only says platinum coated, but I think it's here. It says it is a 53 PT platinum and B of gold, of bold. It is number 53. These CP1s are identified by numbers. I don't know the numbers of all of them. I searched online and I could find a few. So this is one. I have another one here, which is called also the number 53, which is kind of strange, but it is an older version, and you can see it is even a slimmer version than this one, but the aspect is very similar. what happens is that this is a sterling silver pen, this is a platinum coated, so they are very similar, but with different designs. This thicker version came to replace that one, and they kept the same number, but that didn't happen always, because for example, I have here a black version of the Lamy CP1. You can see that the section is different. I have a black slim and I have a black regular. The black regular is still made today, and when you look at them, of course this nib is not the most recent one because it doesn't say Lamy there, but if it was, it would say Lamy. I have two. The nibs are different and I don't remember the numbers, sorry about them. I think one is 56 and the other one is 58. I don't know which is which, but when they replace it, the thinner one by the thicker one, they change numbers. In this case they replaced the thinner one by the thicker one, and they also changed the material, but they didn't change the number. So I think this is a mess, and no, this cap is from this one. It's not that easy to understand. So these pens are all about the same, they are different thicknesses, but you can see also that in this case the section is different. This one is metal, that one is plastic. So I have in my collection, this is a sterling silver, a black, and a steel, same kind of pen, also with a gold nib, but you can see this gold nib is much simpler. It doesn't say Lamy, it doesn't have any information except for the gold content that is marked there, and it is an oblique nib, gold. So you can see the same section. I have these three thin versions. I think one thin version is I'm still missing, which is one like this, the white version, but it was available also in thin. I don't have, I only have the thick one. I have the thick in black, in steel also, just as this one in brushed steel. You can see that they are the same. One is thicker than the other one. I have this which is in chrome, which is kind of interesting. Also an older version. I have this one that I never know if this one is gold metal or not, gunmetal or not. There are two versions. I don't think this is gunmetal. Gunmetal is another one that is all metal, and it's kind of a dark chrome, which is not. This one is a lacquered one, so I'm missing that kind of dark chrome. And then I have now the platinum, which is very nice and shiny and beautiful and perfect and all that. And I also have this one, which is kind of a an eggplant. I'm not sure if you can really see the color, but it's kind of an eggplant color, and it is a color for Mercedes. And I think this color for Mercedes was available also in red and green. I'm not completely sure. I need to find more information about that. Let me put this one next to the gray and to the black, and I think now by comparison you can see this one is eggplant color. Very beautiful. So there I still missing a few of the Mercedes-Benz versions. I'm missing a white at least, and the other gunmetal. So there I still missing a few pens. So if anyone that watches my channel anytime finds one of those pens that I'm missing, the gunmetal, the thin white, and some other Mercedes-Benz versions, please let me know, because by this time I really wanted to complete my collection a little better, because this is fun. I like these little slim pens, and this platinum version looks really nice. And platinum doesn't oxidize as silver does, although I like oxidized pens, and this one has the gold nib, so it makes a little bit more special. although it is a broad nib and I'm not a big fan of those. But anyway, I think I will enjoy this pen, and it may be useful when I make ink reviews to have a broader pen. And nowadays I find more and more attractive to me to have more useful to have broad nib pens or food nib pens even for work, mainly because sometimes as most people are shifting towards exclusively digital media, I am using, I'm still using and using even more paper and pens to make schemes and to prepare things, and sometimes to have a wider and bolder color on broad nibs. It's easier to make some diagrams and to underline some parts. I really find it useful nowadays to have these at work, this kind of nibs that I don't really use for writing, but I use for complete yes, let's say it, to complete my writing at work mostly. So this is interesting. I think I will enjoy to have my collection more complete now, and I'm still missing a few, and that's it. Kind of stupid to have some pens of the same, but I can't resist. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope to meet you again here on my channel soon. Bye.